stabbing this bird to death, and then all of a sudden a baby comes out of the bird's pooper. I really didn't know what would happen, but I feel like I can explain it a little better. So you have a bird. It's a pretty bird, by the way. Maybe it has red feathers, who knows? And then you have a bee, and then for a while I had no idea which one was the male, but I figured it out. The bee is the male, obviously, because he has a stinger. And he doesn't get bummed out if he sees another bee that has a slightly larger stinger, because he knows in his head that it's all about the motion in the ocean. So, for all intents and purposes, this song is about that, and that's the most appropriate way I can explain it. It's called Secret Valentine.